step into the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, rear bench seat and adjustable steering wheel. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.